AI isn't just changing jobs, it's changing everything. The question isn't if you'll learn AI, it's when. Vizz AI is already here, the world's first AI tutor that feels human. Now with 10 new global tutors from different countries, different accents, different styles, and unique personalities that make learning feel real. Wherever you are, there's a tutor who speaks your language and understands your journey.
G'day mates, I'm Chloe. Learning AI can be fun. Let's get started.
Guten Tag, ich bin Jonas. We will design AI systems the right way.
नमस्ते, मैं विद्या हूँ। चलिए AI को स्टेप बाय स्टेप समझते हैं।
Hola, soy Elena. Vamos a construir cosas increíbles con inteligencia artificial.
Bonjour, je suis Lucien. Ensemble, nous allons découvrir les secrets de l'IA.
Hi, explorers. I'm Quinn. Let's experiment and discover what AI can do.
Good day, I'm Edward. Let us master the principles behind artificial intelligence.
Come learn with us at Vizz AI.